Hey guys, just wanted to go over the learning resources and assignments for week 4. Week 4 will be focused on addictions. I know a few of you have had some really good experience in this area. So hopefully you find it interesting. And for those of you without any experience, I hope this provides you with kind of a base knowledge of the issue of addictions. The first aspect to learning this week is to do your own research regarding your specific area where you live regarding addiction. You can access these sites to do so. It would be helpful to review statistics in your area regarding prevalence, as well as supports in your area for treatment. This is just important information to know, no matter what area of mental health you plan to focus on. So these two articles here are required reading for this week. I hope you find them interesting, one of which is focused on PTSD and substance abuse, as substance abuse is extremely prevalent among those who have PTSD. You will then choose one article from each of these three groupings. And then you will also have 2 videos to watch as well. And please do watch the videos in their entirety. I know sometimes we have required segments, but the full videos are required, and hopefully you'll find them interesting. I'm hoping that between the readings and the videos, you'll gain a good understanding of the impact of substance abuse for a variety of different groups. The area of substance abuse is not a particular focus of mine in practice, but knowledge of addiction is important no matter which population you're interested in treating. Due to the prevalence of addiction, you will find that many of your clients have been impacted by addiction in some way throughout their lives. It's an extremely important issue to understand, even if you don't have plans to focus on substance abuse treatment within practice. Moving on to the discussion for the week, you will be assigned to either a dyad or a triad, which you will see in the announcement I posted, or you can find if you click on people and then groups in Canvas. For your initial post, you will each be developing a case scenario regarding a client dealing with addiction. You will review the following in order to build your case. Make sure you hit all the points here. And then if you're placed in a triad, please make sure to coordinate who will respond to who prior to posting for the week. You can just message each other in Canvas. So you will then respond to your partner and provide thoughts on the case scenario, including your understanding of the particular addiction that was noted in the scenario, and what you know about it. You will discuss ways you might intervene as a therapist with that client and discuss any potential countertransference that you might experience. Please make sure to hit all 3 of these points in order to receive full credit for quality of the post. In addition, make sure you are citing articles or text in APA format. The response post will require at least one citation, being that you're talking about ways you would intervene. Those are things that you're likely learning through the articles this week, or have learned in the book or other sources. So as usual, initial posts will be due Thursday at 11:59 p.m. and response posts are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. In addition to this post, you have your integrative paper part 1, which is due at Sunday at 11:59. And I have discussed that in a separate video. Please make sure to view that video for guidance on the paper to make sure you have a good understanding of what the requirements are. In addition, mid-semester evaluations are available for week 4. Please take some time to fill them out. It's just helpful for me to know what you need moving forward in the course. So I hope everyone has a great week, and reach out with any questions.